make sure you hit the thumbs up, that's a like. Then hit subscribe and hit that bell. And watch my whole video.
Hey, I'm trying something different today. You know, Mr. Smith always likes to have pictures and videos and other things flying in back and forth while he's drawing. Well, while I was working on how to draw a flamingo, things just started to develop. And it turned out that how to draw a flamingo turned out to be more of a how to draw a flamingo, a art relaxation video. So I want you to sit back, and if you got the YouTube app on a large TV, sit back, watch it on a large TV, turn the lights on, and check it out. It's only about 5 minutes long. And let me know in the comments below what you think about it. All right, it's one of the first times I'm trying something like this, so I'm really interested in getting your feedback on how you like it. So make sure, like, subscribe, all that kind of good stuff. And most of all, if you really like it, share it with a friend. And don't forget, please come back, see me again. All right, take care.
Watch the moving shapes slowly drift into the patterns. Enjoy the curving lines, the slowly moving colors, the curvature of the flamingo as we go around, in, out, open, close. I want you to relax. I want you to fall into my world of patterns, shapes, and colors, slowly swirling, moving, building, drifting around, in, out, swirling, slowly winding, going out, going in, horizontal biomorphic shapes, organic shapes, the contour of the flamingo, fading in and out, the swirling lines of rippling water, pools of patterns, fluttering of feathers, rotating shapes, slowly moving in, moving out, overlapping, gently guiding you through different planes, colors, blending, moving, swirling, sparkling, rotating, fading in, fading out, balance, form, shape, gesture. These are the elements of art. Colors, blending, swirling, strips. Dividing, multiplying, overlapping. Foreground becomes background. Background becomes foreground. It is all one. There is no one plane of existence. It is all the same. Relax. Concentrate. Absorb the colors. Move with the contour lines and blending shapes as they melt into our background of existence.